Hi, my name is Fluffercorn, and my name is Gigi. And today we're going to be making cinnamon twist with a caramel apple side. And before we get started, click the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. And before you cook, you have to make sure Mommy and Daddy's there before you, or else your hearth will blow. Let's get started. So we are going to be doing churros with a caramel apple side. And these are the ingredients: brown sugar, apples, caramel sauce, and the cinnamon. I already did this one. And butter, my favorite. And this is going to be the dough. First, we're going to wash our hands and preheat the oven to 325. So we're going to go to bake and then down. Okay, now let's press start. So first thing we're going to do is heat the butter up. So I have to put 2 big scoops of the in there. How do you get this thing open? Okay, that's scoop in there. And then another ginormous scoop. How do I get this? Oh. I think it'll go like that. How do you get this thing out of the spoon? I washed my hands, so it's fine to do this. So we're going to set it to 45 seconds in the microwave. So close it up, and then 45, and then start. So we're going to be putting cinnamon into 1 tablespoon, and we're going to be putting brown sugar into 1 cup. And then let's get started. I think that's enough, right? That's enough?
No, you fill it all the way to the top.
I need to clean this up. So next we're going to do a cup of brown sugar. I think I'm going to have to open. Ah! It fell down from my hand. Naughty. Now, put it in. Whoa, that's a big mess. Let's put the big one in there. I think we need to scoop it from here. Okay. Not really good. Not there yet. It's hard scooping this up. Get in there. That was a big mess. So now I got it fully crushed. Now I'm going to be mixing it. It's going to be so good. So second, we're going to be like rolling it and putting it in here, there, and then putting it in there. I do this all the time with Play-Doh. So that's why I'm very good at stretching it out. long and thin is my jam. So you just need to go like that and then roll it like a ball. Long and thin like a churro. Roll it like a ball. Roll it like a churro and roll it like a ball. Now I think it's ready, and I think I'm going to be putting it in here now. Get it all over it. Put the butter. And now put it in the mix. Like really get it on there so it can like be like a churro. Need churros. Here I come. So this is going to be how I make homemade churros. I'll put it in and do it all over again. So these are my churros. We're going to set it for 13 minutes. So I'm opening the oven, and then I'm going to be sliding it in on the top. Oh. That was easy. So next I'm going to be pressing this, and then be pressing this. So next we are going to be, while we wait for our churros, we are going to be making the plate ready. So put that apple there. Oh, they're stuck together. And this one, it looks like a diamond. And then I was thinking, let's put it like a heart and then put the caramel sauce. Why is that so hard to take out? And then dip. Okay, we're going to be selling this in my front window. Ta-da! I'm going to think that the elements of harmony. Okay, so this is how I've been thinking. Once this day comes, this is going to be the best. This is how I lay down in bed too. But it's going to be the best. You guys will not believe it when you see this. And then take a big scoop out of this caramel sauce. And then put it in the middle. You like it? Oh my god, like delicious goodness! So this is the time when I need really much help. He's going to take it out of the oven. Ew, before they started burning. We're going to let them sit for 5 minutes and cool down. So this is what it looked like. Does it look good? Does it look good? So now I'm going to break off a piece. And dip. And then it's really good. It's like the same as churros. like just like a churro that I just ate out of my mouth. Now dip it and then eat it. Even the apple tastes good, the churro. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Go.
Da-da! Want me to do it again? Yeah. Do it again.
It's so pink.